name is Chloe, and hi. And I built this house. It has 3 levels. Actually, it has 4. The first level is the roof. So I'm going to take off this to show you, because they all come off. The second level is, it's just the roof, the billboard on it. The third roof is a toy room. See the dollhouse, the bouncy balls, and the scooter, and there's a chandelier. And next, the second floor is a cafe, and it has the little platters and the cups. And take that off. And then the first floor is a little shopping center with the perfume and stuff, and then there's hats right there, and there's pants over on this wall, and there's a dressing room, and there's the cash register, and the door, well, it says shop right here, big letters. The door spins, it's open, and oops, did I just knock these over? It has little flower pots, and it has an ice cream stand, and it has a mailbox. And if you look on, way over in the back, there's a little door. I have stuff right there, but you open it and there's a little trash can. There's flags on the side of the second floor, and there's stairs that lead. There's stairs on the first floor that lead to the second. There's stairs on the second that lead to the third, and that's all. And on the roof, we have the little clear thing. We have the billboard, and there's like a little window washers thing, and there's a window washer there. My people are this little boy. I have him. I have this girl. She works the cash register. She's a bride and he's the groom. And they're supposed to be mannequins, but they don't have to be. And you can turn their heads around, so they're mannequins. I have this. Oh wait, I already showed. Well, this is the window washer. This is a guy. He's supposed to be in the dressing room. It came with a pair of pants that are yellow, the color of his skin, so he's like trying on pants. And I have this girl, and she's buying stuff, and these are her shopping bags I had to make. So that's my Lego house, and I'm very excited I got to make this, and I hope I get to make one just like this, but different again.